please do not climb on the artwork. So I don't know how you're supposed to see a star through that hole right there. And out here to the right of them, folks, you see the 8 bottles. And this statue was a gift for the 1968 World Fair from the Portuguese. And contrary to popular belief, folks, the city was actually named after the river. The river was named the about 60 people every year that fall in. 60. And they usually fall in right along in here somewhere. You know, we call those guys the Friday Nighters. Now, I also tell people, folks, now here in the downtown area, the natural flow of the San-Антоніо River is only 4 feet deep. And here in Сан-Антоніо, we are known to throw a party. It's called Fiesta. It lasts for 11 days. So I think they left this river 4 feet deep for a reason. Now, baby duck crossing, folks, is that.
The island of love. Romantic place.
That is so wonderful to be here. That is the river walk, and we had such a nice time taking the boat tour, and the guide told us about the places of interest. It was very, very good. It is the place where people